Hi dear friends, this is Krita, and let's see today how to create new layers and to delete layers in Krita. So if you want to create the new layer, you just go to this plus sign, add sign, and click on it. If you do it, you will create paint layer, but if you don't want a paint layer, you just have to click on this arrow next to the sign and see the possibilities here. Choose which do you need. For example, add clone layer, and maybe, for example, some filter layer, and something else, for example, let it be paint layer. Okay. Now, if you want to delete the layer, you just have to go to the layer and to do right click on it and to find remove layer. If you want to delete few layers at the same time, just hold shift, choose the layers and do the same. That's it. Thank you.